Hi, I'm Mike with 3M, here to talk to you about the new 3M Xtract Series sanding discs. These discs feature a net backing, which allows over 95% dust capture in sanding applications. Today, I'll show you how the 3M Xtract discs can eliminate dust and boost performance in woodworking applications. Today we'll be sanding with the 3M Xtract Cubitron 2 Net Disc 710W in grade 180. This unique abrasive pattern with 3M's precision shaped grain, along with the net backing, allow you to sand with no compromises, cutting incredibly fast and leaving behind a virtually dust-free work environment. But before we start, let's put on our personal protective equipment: eye protection, hearing protection, a respirator, and gloves. Thanks for joining us today. To learn more, go to 3mxtract.com.